G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen here, the ice cream bloke and self-appointed headmaster of this fabulous facility down here in St. Louis, Missouri, scoopschool.com. Have a look, subscribe to the video, do all the things you need to do to be involved, to get connected with the Scoop School crew. We're a great bunch of people that really want to help you open or grow your own ice cream shop. I'll tell you who else is a great bunch of people. Carpigiani are making ice cream equipment in Italy, shipping it all over the world in all different configurations. They've got blast freezers, they've got soft serve machines, they've got batch freezers. Check them out, carpigiani.com. The link is down below. I do want to thank Carpigiani for their episode sponsorship. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit more about power supply. In the last video that we just filmed, and hopefully you're watching them all in succinctness, we spoke a little bit about single-phase power versus three-phase power. Now, if you need to know the difference between the two in layman's terms, go back to the last video. But I want to talk in this video a little bit about power converters and what they do and whether they're useful or not. What did I just do? Drop my fluffer, my duster. So what a power converter does, converter box, whatever you call them, it's basically a box that will bridge single phase. Got a lot of whiteboard markers going in here. So single phase goes in, and again, just as a disclaimer, I'm no electrician. I'm just a guy that plays one on TV. And what happens here is it basically mashes up in the box and converts this power source from single phase back up to three-phase power. Can you use them? Can you not? Generally, you would only need one of these if you bought a single-phase unit and then realized, oh no, I've only got three-phase power at my building, or vice versa. I've bought a three-phase machine and I didn't realize I've only got single-phase at the shop. Now, a couple of things you need to be aware of. One is that this box here typically is not authorized by your equipment manufacturer. And you should always go back to either the manufacturer's rep or the distributor or your local guy. Look online, talk to someone at the factory, or read the manual, because you may find that a machine that was made or built to run three-phase power should not be sourced by a single-phase power source with a converter. It's really important that you understand that, because if something goes wrong with the motor, which is probably one of the biggest components in that machine, something goes wrong with that because you've hooked it up to a box and not the power source it was designed to, you could void the warranty, blow the machine up, and who knows what else. You don't have a lot of protection there. So look, I've seen them work before, particularly again if someone's bought a three-phase machine but they don't have a three-phase building. I've heard them in a back room vibrating and humming. And obviously, again, I don't know model numbers. I try and steer people away from them just because of the fact that you just don't know whether that's a constant power source, whether it's an effective power source to run the machine that basically is the goose that lays your golden egg. That one batch freezer or soft serve machine or custard machine is basically the machine that's taking a product, making a product, and you're taking it and selling it. Everything else in the entire facility is just ancillary to that. So you want to make sure you look after that, and one of the main things is using the power source that's approved by the manufacturer for that particular machine. So, should you use a power converter? Look, personally, I say no. Talk to your electrician, talk to your equipment manufacturer. I think they may agree with me, but get some other advice on it. Thank you again for tuning in on this video. Thank you again to our sponsor, which is Carpigiani, carpigiani.com. Again, link down below. And if you have any questions about the ice cream business, frozen dessert business, gelato, soft serve, water ice, sorbet, frozen custard, look, just go to scoopschool.com. We got it all there. We can help you. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next video.